Hello everyone. My name is Moses McCormick from Akron, Ohio. Today I've decided to make Chinese lessons. My very first Chinese lesson. I think it will be pretty exciting. Basically today I'm going to introduce two different systems. There's a system used in Taiwan called Bopomofo. In the system in mainland China, the pinyin, which is they use like Latin, pretty much Latin English letters when they spell. But yeah, it's a really useful system when first starting to learn Chinese. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. Maybe you want to know where I learned Chinese, stuff like that. Well, after I graduated from high school, which was in '99, I started to study Chinese. I just, wanted to try it out and see how it would work. I was interested in it, and I had people before, I had people telling me that it was going to be impossible for me, that I wasn't going to be able to learn it. But those were my ambitions, so I wanted to learn. So I started learning, and I started getting good at the language. And I studied for about 4 years, and then like pretty much after 4 years, I kind of stopped studying. I was still speaking Chinese with the Chinese, but I had stopped studying it. And it was all self-taught. I've never been to China. I've never studied in China. I never studied Chinese in school. Just all by myself. So that's right there. That's indicative that it's possible. It's not impossible. And pretty much my purpose for making this video also, not only will it be useful for other people learning Chinese, but it will be useful for me as well, since I rarely write in Chinese. So this is a good opportunity for me to practice writing my Chinese. So yeah, I think that's a good thing. But I also wanted to say that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what class you come from. It doesn't matter what race you are. Anybody can learn Chinese. Anybody can learn Chinese. That's with anything, not just language. You put your mind to it, and if you really want to do it, you can do it. Nothing is impossible. Nothing's impossible. Okay, that's enough of myself. We're gonna get started on. I want to do the Bopomofo. And then let's see, it's about 3:26. I'm going to have to make another video because YouTube they said that I can't make a video over 10 minutes, which is, I don't know why. It's pretty. But anyway, yeah, let's get started on Bopomofo real quick. Adjust my camera. There we go. Okay. Alright, for any of you that studied Japanese, you probably think that some of the letters here will look similar to Japanese, but they do, but not all of them. There are just a few that look similar to Japanese. Alright, I'll start with the first line. Let's see, what's the time? 4:15. Alright, we have ba, pa, ma, fa. Hope you guys can see that clear. It looks, see, my screen's not blurry. Okay, you got ba, pa, ma, fa. Ba, pa, ma, fa. And you have da, ta, na, da, ta, na, la, da, ta, na, la, da, ta, na, la. That blurry? Da, ta, na, la. Okay, and then you have G, K, H, G, K, H. And then you have G, Chi, She. Sorry, bless me. G, Chi, She, and then you have so make sure I'm writing it right. You have Ju, Chu, Shu, Ru. Ju, Chu, Shu, Ru. And then you have Z, C, S, S, and then E, U, U, E, U, U. E, U, U. Okay, let me check the time. We got 7. Okay, E, U, U. Okay. And then we have A, O, E. And this E here looks just like the Japanese E. Looks just like the Japanese E. So A, O, E. And then you have I, A, Ow, O, I, A, Ow, O. Then you have an, un, ang, an, ang, and ung. And then the last character will be So that's the alphabet for the Bopomofo. And yeah, so the next video I will use the pinyin to show you that the pronunciation. I'll be back shortly with the next video.